Hey guys, so 2 days ago I had this great webinar with Damon Nelson over there at VidPenguin. And unfortunately, for those that did attend on December 8th around 7 o'clock, or 6 p.m. I should say Eastern Time, the webinar was a little screwed up. For whatever reason, my GoToWebinar froze up on me. I was unable to type, I was unable to talk, and sadly the recorder, it did not record at all. So I was very upset about that. Only about 6 minutes of the replay was actually recorded. So what I want to do is create a little video here on Damon's amazing product. So what Damon's come up with is kind of like, you know, the perfect type of blueprint to show how to create completely automated niche driving type of traffic sites. So this is one of the sites he's created. And this is CryptoLiberation.com. You can go up and look this up yourself. This is an amazing little website. Now, the nice thing about this is that all of this content is generated from high authority sites, from other sites that put out this information, and they come in here. So it's like an RSS type of site, and it just constantly gets new traffic. It constantly gets new links, and high authority content's constantly coming in here. So one of the things that you can do is you can totally monetize this by putting your ads on here. You can add your own content in because it is on a WordPress platform. And you can target ads, you can target AdSense on this, and you can drive amazing traffic. Now that is just one particular way. There's around 30 different ways that you can monetize this. Another way that you can do this is you can go after high authority type of, or I should say high search volume keywords that people are going after and create niche websites. Like within here, one of the things that Damon built in is a store. So if you click on store, it's store.cryptoliberation. Okay, check it out. You can search a store. It's hooked up to Amazon. And it pulls all these great books straight off Amazon. So people could add these to their cart. They could click add to cart, goes right in the cart, takes them straight over to Amazon, and you totally get the sell. So this is really cool. That's just another way of being able to monetize it. You can create any type of niche website. If you want to do this for local, you could do this for local. For a local landscaping company, an HVAC company, snowplow company. Anything that you want to do, you can target with these amazing niche websites. Now, I did a couple of searches the other day during the webinar, and for those that did watch it, and again, I'm very sorry that the recording did not work. What I want to do is I want to show you these because this is what I wanted to show you during the webinar, and I was unable to do it. So what I did is I put into Google site : CryptoLiberation. Tells me there's 1,600 search results for that keyword, or 1,600 links, I should say, that are indexed. And let's just go ahead and look at some of these links. Okay, what is Kreider? Best altcoin reviews. No Coin Opera. Bitcoin slips. Best cryptocurrency right now. Okay, now that is cool. Okay, so what I did is I went over and I typed in that keyword right here on search. Best cryptocurrency right now. 1.1 million search results. Okay, the very tip top that's ranking for this, what is the best cryptocurrency right now is on Quora. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it's received 32 answers. Let's see here. It was last asked 3 hours ago. I think that's the last time I got an answer because I think it was asked much earlier, probably last year, around January 28th. Or that was the first time it was answered. So it's received a lot of answers, but you can see the top vote here. So someone just got theirs up here, but the top vote has 8 votes. Okay, not very much. But here's what you could do. For those that have been part of my original Quora training, I talked about a product that could automate this entire process for you. But if you did that, if you bought that product, or if you know how to automate Quora, you could totally rank your answer at the very tip top here, like this person just did. They just got their answer up here. And you could put your answer to this up at the very tip top, rank it up here, going to your CryptoLiberation website where you have your sell buttons and your buy buttons for whatever you want to do on cryptocurrency, and you could drive traffic directly off of here. I mean, look how many views this Quora post has gotten in the last year since this question was asked. 1.5 million views. 1.5 million views. That's amazing. Imagine the traffic that you could get off of this. I mean, this guy posted this 2 hours ago, and he's already got 58 views on here. Let's see what this guy got. Look at that. Okay, asked a year ago, he's received 30,000 views. 30,000 views for this post, meaning that out of that 30,000 people that viewed his post, how many people clicked his link? Think about that. Think about the way that you could monetize this, because this is what you could do. You could totally monetize every single aspect of this. You could set up micro websites. You could set up websites to sell different things. Let's look at a couple of other sites that Damon's built. So I'm going to copy a URL here. Okay, here's another one. It's in the cup. Okay, so this is a golf one. I believe he's in the middle of building this one, actually. This is one of the ones he's been working on. But look at it. It's a beautiful website. Beautiful background. Beautiful looking site. This is amazing. Okay, here's, let's go look at this one. Let's try this. GoMovieNews.com. Another really great looking website. Look at all this content. GoPro, 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 GoPro. I mean, look at that. Think about the way that you could monetize this. Pop in your store. Let's see what Damon has over here. Look at that. He's got accessories, bundles, video cameras, GoPro cameras. Everything connected right up on Amazon to drive the sales. That is awesome. That is really awesome. Okay, here's another one. Let's try this out. CookbookSells.com. Again, a completely automated website. Damon never has to touch another button. You know, once he set this up, it's literally push and go, and it takes right off, and it goes off. So this is a really, really cool product. Now, what Damon's offering in this webinar that we did, and in the launch that I'm promoting for him right now, which I believe we have another 2 days, about another 48 hours before we close this out. And he takes the discount away and closes out the sales page for this. What he's come up with is an 8-week course. So it's an 8-week training course, and it's an amazing thing. So you get to go through. Week 1 is building traffic magnet. Week 2 is creating your Amazon store. Week 3 is setting up the ad network. Week 4 is buyer lead funnels, right? So he has all these great things. He talks about how you can set up your lead funnels, set up your viral social posting system, how you can clone your first site. So once you set up one of these sites, you can clone it, repeat, clone it, repeat, clone it, repeat, clone it, repeat. This is amazing. This is awesome. And these sites are not hard to set up all. Once Damon shows you how to set this up, I've looked inside, he showed me how to do this, and I told Damon, I was like, doggone it, Damon, I wish I'd come up with this myself, because it's that good. So there's two things here. On the main page that you'll see right below this video, there's two sales buttons. The first sales button, you can buy this course, $197, but there's a $50 discount. Just for me, it's called BOWS 50. All caps, BOWS, BOWES 50. And that will get you $50 off, so it's $147. Amazing deal for this course. Shows you exactly how to set this up all the way from the very beginning to the very end. Once you run through this, you'll be like, oh, this is wicked. This is awesome. The second sales button is a done for you site. So Damon will actually set up the entire site for you. Whatever you want, you send over the information to him, and he and his team will totally build this out for you. And I believe that price is $597 with a $50 discount off. So another amazing deal. And think about this. With the way that he shows you how to clone this, you get, if you haven't built out a site for you, done for your website, you can literally clone that website and go back in, change out the information you want, and create a whole different type of website. So you could have him create like a CryptoLiberation website for you, a crypto coin, whatever you want, Ethereum, any type of business that you want. And you could clone this and change it into an Amazon store for maps, for cookbooks, for smoking. And when I talk about smoking, I'm talking about like using a smoker, right, to smoke amazing meats, all that wonderful stuff. You could create Christmas websites. Think about Easter. Think about setting up, what I always talk about is farming SEO. When you're thinking about things to promote, things to build for your business, plan ahead, 6 months ahead. That's what I do. I call it farming SEO. Like a farmer, you prepare your land, you prepare your crops for next season, right? So right now, you should be planning right now for February, March, April, May, June. You should start preparing right now for next summer. What products are going to be hot? The hottest products selling, the hottest toys coming out, the hottest niches that you can target. The best things that are coming out on Kickstarter that that you can find up on either Alibaba Express or up on Amazon. Set up these Amazon websites, these micro niche affiliate websites. The possibilities are endless. And what I love is the way that Damon has set this up. So be sure to check it out. Click the link below. Make sure, again, that you use the code BOWES50, all caps, BOWES 50. And check this out, because I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. And if you have any trouble with this, Damon will actually walk you through step-by-step himself. So this is awesome. So again, thank you guys so much. I do again apologize for the replay and the total foobar that happened there. So hopefully this will be sufficient for you. All right, guys, have a great night. Thank you.